Bye-bye. Well, I'm not ending the lesson. Wait, I'm starting the lesson. Actually, this lesson is about interesting ways to say goodbye. Hi everyone, my name is Radhan and I welcome each one of you with a very big heart on Let's Talk. In today's lesson, we will talk about some of the most interesting ways in which you can say goodbye, bye-bye. It is very commonly used and it's time for us to change the game and speak better. The first phrase that we have in the list is see ya later, alligator. Now, it is something that actually rhymes together. Later, alligator. See you later, alligator, or see ya later, alligator is a very friendly way of saying goodbye. It's a very friendly way of saying bye-bye. Let's see how we can use it in an example. I have to run to the supermarket. See you later, alligator. But one very important thing, can you actually use this phrase with your boss? Well, you better not use that because this might actually cost you a job. It is a very informal way of speaking English and it is used with friends and family. But very important thing, what is the meaning of alligator? Alligator is like a crocodile. Have you ever seen a crocodile? It's an animal that's a water that actually stays in water and outside of water as well. So alligator is a crocodile. You cannot say crocodile to your boss, so make sure that you never use it in the professional context. It's for friends and family. The next phrase that you can use to talk about goodbye, to say goodbye, is catch you on the flip side. What is the meaning of flip side? Flip side here means that when the job is done, that's when I'm going to be seeing you next. So that is the flip side. For example, I am 5 minutes late for work today. We'll speak about this in the evening. Catch you on the flip side. So let's say maybe you're talking to the person on phone and you're rushing to the office and you're talking to the person and you're saying, hey, it seems like I'm 5 minutes late for work, so I'm going to be seeing you on the flip side. That means when my day gets over because I'm quite late. This was about catch you on the flip side. Let us see the next phrase. The next one is, all right then. All right then is quite famous in America. A lot of people say it as an informal expression to say bye. Let's see. We are going to meet in the evening. All right then, right? So this is said as an exclamation to say goodbye and to register what the person has said. And that is, we're going to meet in the evening. So the second person says, all right then, or you can just add it into the same sentence and say, all right then. All right then is as a register. I've understood we're going to be meeting in the evening. That's how it is. All right then, which is bye-bye. The next one is farewell melody. Melody, what is melody? Melody is a sweet word used for a friend. Farewell means a bye. So that is farewell melody. Bye, my sweetheart. For example, I'll pick you up in the evening. Farewell melody. That means it's time for you to go and for me to go as well, and I'll pick you up in the evening for the dinner or for the concert, wherever you're going, and therefore, farewell, melody. Next one is ciao ciao. Ciao ciao is again not an English word, but is actually used to talk about, to say bye or goodbye to the person. Now, a lot of times people think it is siao siao. It is not siao siao, it is ciao, ciao. It is ciao, ciao. That's how it is. Ciao, ciao. For example, oh hey, nice talking to you. Ciao, ciao. When are you saying ciao, ciao? You're leaving from the conversation, probably because you've got some other errands or some other work to complete, and now you're saying bye-bye. A lot of times I also want to tell you, people actually use this phrase informally to say hi as well. So do not get confused if somebody says ciao when you meet that person for first. It's actually used in both the cases, hi as well as bye. Next one in the list is be gone. Be gone is very, very informal and it's a little bit rude as well, but you can use it in funny sense too. Be gone means get out of my sight right now. See how we can use it here. Be gone from my sight. Be gone from my sight. For example, you're a brother, you're disturbing your sister a lot, and she's so disturbed because of the irritation that she says, be gone out of my sight now. The next phrase is sayonara. What is it? Sayonara. Sayonara is again not English, but is most of the times used to speak bye as a replacement for bye. And that is quite a long example, but let's read it. If your idea of a romantic evening is just a pizza and a DVD, that means if you're somebody who feels that a good date means a pizza and a DVD, it's time to step up your game before your sweetheart says sayonara. It's time that you understand that nobody likes a date like that. It's important for you to step up your game. What is the meaning of step up your game? That means to become better at it. So step up your game and have some different plans for your date. Otherwise, your girlfriend or your boyfriend will say sayonara. Let us now move to the next one. Drop in again. Again, quite a nice way of speaking English, but slightly informal to be, or let's say semi-formal, to be used with friends and family. It's more like neutral. If anything that is semi-formal or informal is neutral. Drop in again is, it was a pleasure seeing you. Drop in again. It was a pleasure meeting you. It was quite delightful meeting you. And drop in again. That means do come again. It is not the final time you're going. Do come again to see for us to meet again. The next one is see you again. Quite similar to drop in again. It is just drop becomes quite a friendly way of speaking English. See you again becomes a little bit formal. Here, it was a short meeting, but we have a lot to catch up on. See you again. That you will see me again. That is, we are finally saying bye, but do make sure that we meet again. So see you again as an exclamation that you can use to suggest bye. Next phrase is fare thee well. Fare thee well is not directly related to bye-bye, but it means doing things in the most perfect manner. This is one exclamation that you actually use when you're leaving from the conversation, or you have to leave basically from the interaction with the person. And that's when you say fare thee well. That means whatever you do, do it well. Bye-bye. Let's see an example. Please take care of your health. Fare thee well. So the person has already suggested that the main focus has got to be health, and that is take care of your health in the perfect manner possible. So not directly bye-bye, but do whatever you have to do and you're supposed to do with detail. The next is shine on, diamond. Shine on, diamond is a very cute and creative way of saying bye-bye, and it's very sweet as well. Now, when you leave the person, again, it does not directly mean bye, but it's again, as we said in fare thee well, is an exclamation. You tell the person, keep doing the good work, keep on shining, keep letting people know how good you are as a person. Diamond. Who is diamond here? Diamond is the friend or the person that you're talking to. For example, don't let people steal your charm, shine on, diamond. This is exactly what I want to say to my entire YouTube family out there. And that is, don't let people steal your charm. Be as creative when it comes to speaking English. And continue shining on, my friend. But hey, I'm not saying bye to you now. Video is continued. Hasta la vista, friend. Quite a fun way of saying bye-bye. Can you see there are so many interesting ways of saying just one thing? Then why do we always get stuck with just one thing? We should always be creative and very communicative. Hasta la vista, my friend, is another way of saying bye. Let's see. My cab's come. Hasta la vista, friend. Let's say two friends went on a coffee date, and one of them said, seems like my cab's come. Hasta la vista, my friend. Quite informal and quite a creative way of saying bye-bye. The next phrase is adieu, amigos. Now, what is the meaning of adieu? It is not English, it's another language. But people actually use some phrases from other language in English just to suggest the same meaning. And that is adieu, amigos. Amigos mean a friend. Adieu mean bye. And that is bye-bye, friend. For example, I've got to catch my plane in time. Adieu, amigos. Now, what is that? I've got my flight in the next 2 hours, and I've got to leave now. And so, bye-bye, my friend. Catch you on the flip side, or hasta la vista. This was all about all the words that we have to suggest and say bye creatively, naturally, And interestingly, do make sure that you use these phrases. Please do make sure that you connect with me on my Instagram, Hridan_ESL, to get to know more updates about all these amazing videos that we have on YouTube. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.